Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to view your customer order history in Shopify. So for this, you can go to your Shopify admin panel. You can go to customer section. These are the customers who ordered from your store, right? And you can click on one of the customer. You can see this is the last order placed. So since our store is a development store, it shows as a test order. And if you scroll down, you can see he placed an order on 11/31, and this is the first order. Shopify sent a order confirmation email. Like this, you can see order history. And if you need to view all orders, it will redirect to your all orders customers. And you can see here also the customer informations, right? So this is how you can view your customer details or customer order history from Shopify admin panel. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.